68 Whiskey MOST here at FTINDIANGAP, Pennsylvania, is primary mission is to conduct the healthcare combat medic course. That course is 3 phases, totaling of 57 days. In phase 1 of the course, the students come in, they will learn emergency medical technicians as defined by the National Registry. So it's a civilian entity that is the proponent of the course, and we meet those standards. Primarily, in comparison, a normal student would take anywhere up to 6 months at a local college. We run an accelerated course for the military. We knock it out in about 19 whole days. Once complete with the National Registry for both the computer adaptive exam and the psychomotor skills testing, they now move into phase 2, which comprises of limited primary care. In that phase, they are introduced to USARMY medicine, and more specifically what their roles and responsibilities will be as a 68 Whiskey combat medic. So the facility was designed very purposefully over the course of 30 years. We try to incorporate adult learning models and enabling learning so that it not just reaches one type of learner. We've all been in facilities where you can have death by PowerPoint, for instance, up to 8 to 12 hours. We purposely color our walls to make sure that we stimulate brain function. We ensure that we build in practical exercises. Giving injections from a routine adult immunization for a common soldier, right? Every soldier has to get a flu shot every year. That's an intramuscular site injection, all the way down to what happens if you sustained an injury and I couldn't do something as simple as administer an intravenous line.
Medic moving! Got him.
In a combat environment, the scene will never be safe for our soldiers. They're soldiers first, medics second. They need to understand how to train, how to fight, how to shoot, move, communicate with the infantry or potential other line troops, as well as be out there and still be up with it all to save a life.
Check his rate and rhythm quality.
Our simulations room, known as the Harry Potter room, affectionately called, is one of our proudest accomplishments. The point of it is to never create the same scenario. Oftentimes we learned that when a soldier walks into a scenario or they walk into a room, they start to train for and try to anticipate what the scenario is going to look like. Having a room like the Harry Potter room helps prevent the anticipation of the event and keeps the soldier focused on the scenario. Looking at the combat casualty assessment, employing all the skills within the arsenal of a 68 Whiskey and the right medicine at the right time under the right tactical circumstance is everything in which we try to accomplish here at the 68 Whiskey Schoolhouse.